That's how fast it goes. As you see, the Genaka is down because my autopilot is no more working. I was building me something with expanders to be able to get it down, and I'm not 100% sure what he has. The motor was extremely hot, and I see that there's some movement, and here's obviously something broken. And the problem is that here at this drive I have quite a lot of play now, and that of course adds friction and changes the angle of the belt, and I think that's the root cause. So my idea is to take that old cutting plate that actually came with the boat and seems to be very rigid plastic, and to create that kind of bushing that I need here, so this thing can run smooth again. I finished my plastic parts. This just comes on top here, and here we have the belt drive, and then the force is on the other side, but the force can be held by this, and I will loop this thing up and then see. So with my small bushing inside here, everything is turning and moving well. The friction is okay, I think, because here is a lot of friction either, so I think that bit more here will not change the world. Time to reassemble everything and then get the Genaka up again. It's running again, the wiggle is gone, the play. The motor is no more getting warm. Let's check under load, but I'm carefully confident. Let's see. That took me a bit longer than I expected. I think the repair was like 1 hour, but he seems to work since 10 minutes. I still have respect for this 45 square meter sail, especially alone, but it's working surprisingly well. I go to a low downwind, then first I raise the head, then I pull the tack to the front, and the clue I already have in the winch. That's working quite well. Let's see. Yeah, to my surprise, it's really working again since half an hour. No problems. That's nice. I maybe have 1 hour to go. I lost some time to that. Man, I can't wait to drop the anchor and to open a beer. Yeah, but all in all, even sailing alone is quite enjoyable. Cheers!